to others that which we expect to do. Because the one you are forging to be the next governor, first impeachment will be him for having recruited his own brother to be his driver. Third, the question about China. This was a private donor. You've not been shown, Mr. Speaker, sir, any government expenditure or requisition for that. Fifth, Mr. Speaker, sir, no document of government has been presented before this assembly where the governor has signed. Not even one where her signature is appended. Fifth, you have been told that all these people, the technical team that left, were cleared by government. For record purposes, no public servant will leave this country without approval. Whether you are going for a personal matter or you are going for a public matter, without approval for your leaving. So that is the position. The approval was not for money purposes. Approvals was under the law, and I've seen
Council, man, even the members here, when they are going on their personal issues, they are not cleared by the devolution, Ministry of Devolution. They just notify the Speaker that they are out of the country. Those ones who are, if you are cleared by the Ministry of Devolution, it simply means you will get a pandiem. And what pandiem means, it means for those days that you have gone out, you will be paid every day. It's called either pandiem or night out. But if it's a personal trip, you are not cleared by the Ministry of Devolution. That's the case.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. In light with those directions, none of the per diems, payments, receipts have been presented to you. They intend to present them to you after the impeachment motion has been concluded. They could have presented that as evidence. The Assembly has prepared for the whole 1 year for this impeachment. They could, they failed. Mr. Speaker, sir, on the question about the relatives and the nepotism, still there is no document to show marriage. A marriage certificate is a very simple document for government to get. It's not presented. A birth certificate showing sisterhood or brotherhood or IDs that are identical. None of those documents, which are critical, have been presented to you. Otherwise, relying on social media, the standard is different. On the question of the title, bishop, which has a connection to the Okolea, the issue of cows that the Ministry of Interior banned. It has again come here. That is a function funded by the church. No document showing expenses incurred to buy cattle has been presented. Mr. Speaker, the threshold of evidentiary threshold does not come lower. We cannot just say this is, or call it, these cows are being bought by government funds. Mr. Speaker, sir, the public participation that the members have raised was done in nine sub-counties out of the lawfully registered 15 sub-counties. Explanation is missing. Why was that? Was it tilted